on the streets, 1,000 watts and zero sleep. But the way you think won't change the way you bleed.